Alright, this is day 2 for me of trying to take out the pads. So right now I'm gonna lubricate both impacts. Thing's angry. Look at it. I'll be back with y'all after I'm done taking off all of these pads. Okay, so there are 2 bolts. These 2 and these 2 need to be cut. So now I'm just gonna remove the pads. Start putting these over here. Now I'm gonna go get the torch, cut these 2 and these 2 and these 2. Then I'm gonna put the new pads, and I'm gonna be back with y'all when I do that. So I just cut off these 4 bolts, some of them right there, some of them right here. Now I'm gonna bring in the pads. Bring this pad and this pad. I'll be back with y'all after I'm done putting on the nuts. Alright, so I just finished tying up the nuts with the small impact. Now I'm gonna get the big impact and finish putting these on. Then we're gonna move up the traco and start taking the rest off. I hope to get a little bit more than half done today. Turn this up to a 4. So I just finished putting on this section of tracks. Now I'm gonna have to move the excavator a little bit up. So I just moved the traco up and remove these and these. done with this, again, the same process, move it up, put the new ones on. So I moved the excavator again, move the pad, move this one, and bring in the new pads. Gotta put these back before my dad gets mad. I have to go check that truck out. That thing has the longest shifter ever. I'll be right back. I'm gonna drive these in a little bit with the small impact, finish it up with the big one.
You got that drill?
I'm gonna go replace the battery on the camera. 24%. Next one. Move the traco again. I'm gonna do the same process on the tracks. Ooh, that truck sounds a mess. Now I'm gonna use this impact to take out the nuts. Last one. Y'all probably know the process by now. New pads, new bolts. Got that new section of pads done. Let's knock off another section of pads before we leave. Finish all of this on Monday. know what I'm gonna say. Pads. Bolts. I finished up the tracks. Finished them up. I'm gonna finish up Monday for part 3. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned for part 3.